Is a very good morning, and yeah, I'm finally here. The cake is done, it's ready. As you can look at it, it looks amazing. So we are going to decorate this cake together, guys. That's the cake. As you can see, it looks really well done. It looks good. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Anyway, guys, I'm going to show you how I do the decoration of this cake. What I'm going to use is powdered sugar. As you can see, that's the sugar that I'm gonna use to decorate it. And I'll need a sieve. So what we will do, we are going to pour the sugar right inside the sieve. Just a small amount of it. Just be gentle as always. And the next thing is I'll brush the sugar just around, just being gentle. It's very simple. It doesn't even take you like 5 minutes. Just a matter of dripping the sugar all around the cake, and it makes things look very different. As you might have noticed, I have these black spots on the cake, and these are the raisins that we did yesterday with you guys. Remember, we added some raisins in the cake, so they are the ones that are showing up in black, but trust me, they make the cake taste fantastic. So that's it with the decoration. What we are gonna do now is we are just going to slice a piece of this cake. And yeah, guys, you've been together with me, you were together with me yesterday. Why don't we know how the cake finally tastes? So the cake is already cooled down. Remember, we had the cake overnight in the fridge, so it's completely cooled down. It has a fantastic taste, so it is really ready to be served. That's it, guys. As you can have a look at my sieve, I have nothing left. All the sugar is sprinkled all over the cake. So let's move on getting a piece of this cake. You need this kind of knife just for best results. And yeah, let's get it. Let's do this. So mmm mmm oh my gosh, look at this. Look at how it's breaking down. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So that's the piece. Always be gentle on slicing your piece of cake. I already have my piece. I'll get a small plate just to place that piece of cake that we already have. And there we go. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. That's it. There we go. There we go. So just have a look at the inside of this cake. The raisins are very visible from the top. From this side, you can also see, okay, you cannot really see, but those are the raisins. And from right on top of this other piece, you can already see the raisins. So without wasting much time, we're gonna dig inside and get to know how this fantastic cake of ours does taste. So that's the cake actually in a 360 degrees view. That's how it looks like. I love it. It's so nice. Wow. So yes, let's get inside. Let's dig inside. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Guys. Oh my gosh. It tastes amazing. That's a heavenly taste of this particular cake of ours. Oh, wow. Wow, guys. Oh my gosh. I don't know what. I got no description for this taste. Anyway, guys, the cake came out really good, really just as I had expected it to be. And trust me, guys, it's worth giving it a try, especially on this Christmas season where everyone is into baking cookies. You can also do something else and do some cake as well, which is, it gives you a very intense taste. It is amazing. I cannot even describe. Anyway, if you want to still put some cream, or if you still want to have your cake with cream, you can do that according to what you want. You can do that anytime you want it. I love my cake just the way it is, but there is still an option. You can do some cream at the side and like eat together with your cake as well, which also is a nice combination. But for me, for now, we're gonna do this just the way it is. What I need now is a cup of coffee to set me down comfortably and enjoy the rest of this piece. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a like. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and leave a comment down there. I'm so excited about your comments down there. If you have tried this cake, if you want to try it, please let me know how it came out and let us share this information all over to our friends, to everybody around us. With those few words, let me end this video right there. I wish you all a beautiful and a fantastic day. We will see us soon. Goodbye.